Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to view the combined outstanding details with aging bucket slab in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into Fresa application, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Accounts module. Here we have to choose AR menu. In this page, we can find the combined outstanding details menu. Just click on it. Now we have to fill the required details like created branch, organization, to date and currency as well. After entering all the details, click on the aging bucket slab. Now we can enter manually the aging days for which we are going to generate the report. So if the first column is 10, then you will get a new column in the report like 0 to 10 days. And the next column will be 11 to 60. If it is 50, then it will be 11 to 50. So another will be 51 to 90. So we can manually enter here the aging criteria days to be reflected in the report. After entering the aging days, click on submit button. Now the report will get generated. If we swipe vertically, then we can find the columns which we have entered in aging bucket will be reflected in this report. So the first column is 0 to 10 and the another one will be 11 to 50. So this is how you can generate combined outstanding details report with your own aging bucket slab in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.